Hello everyone, I am Meli. Let us eat.
Omni is AI's latest video creation model, capable of generating and editing videos from simple prompts and from simple images. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini Omni step by step. Stay tuned.
This right here is the brand new Gemini Omni icon. It symbolizes the power of truly seamless integration. It is pretty incredible.
The good news is you can start using Gemini Omni for free. To get started, go to the following website or you'll find the link right down below. First of all, make sure you're signed with your Google account. Now we're going to create our video from an existing image. To begin, click the plus button, then click the video icon below, and then select upload file and choose the image that you want to use as the base for your video. Now let me choose my image and then upload it. Okay, we can type our prompt in the text box or use Gemini to help us craft the perfect prompt. I'll enter my prompt here. Now in this example, I'm going to create a cinematic video of myself visiting the NASA. Down below you should set the aspect ratio to horizontal, that is 16:9. Once everything is ready, click the submit button to start the generation process, and then we need to wait for it. Now our video is generating. It is true that the more details you provide, the better results tend to be. So our prompts need to be clear and explained well so that we can get a better result. Wow, our video is already generated, so let's take a look at it. Wow, it's really nice and incredible with a good quality. Now I feel as if visiting the NASA. Right, okay. A key advantage of using Gemini Omni is the ability to edit your existing video. You don't need to start from the scratch. You can start editing from the existing video for the part that you want to modify or you want to change. You can provide a follow-up prompt. For example, in this video, I'm going to edit my video to replace the background with a high-technology robot laboratory, and the platform will generate a new version with the updated background. Let's see it together. Right. Okay, now our updated video is ready. Let's take a look. Wow, it's cool. Alright. By that we can keep editing our video until we are satisfied. Once we are satisfied with the final video, we can download it or we can share it with various social medias. For example, it might be for using Facebook or LinkedIn, YouTube or other social medias. Yeah, that's great. So Gemini Omni has come up with different amazing features. You can also call out sound effects, music and other audio elements for your video as you want, depending on your interest. If you have something that you want to add from your video, you can also do that. In this video, we have seen two very important things. Those are, the first one is how to change existing image into video. And the second one is how to edit our videos without starting from the scratch, just using the existing video and by providing simple prompts. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment on it, share it, and most importantly, please subscribe it. See you in the upcoming video.